Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are making slow roasted cheese and tomato sandwiches, for which we need 4 slices of bread, cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, butter, some garlic paste, tomatoes and oil. Okay, for which first of all I'm going to cut these tomatoes into half, and I'm going to marinate these tomatoes with garlic paste, salt and pepper. Now you can see I cut these tomatoes into half. I'm going to put this garlic paste, salt, I'm just gonna sprinkle it a bit, not too much, and pepper, and also I'm going to put some drops of oil in it. You can see, and I'm now going to mix them all. I'm gonna take a spoon to mix them. Now you can see I've marinated these tomatoes with salt, pepper and garlic with some drops of oil. I'm going to take the baking tray and put these tomatoes into that. Now after a few minutes of marination, I'm going to put these tomatoes into baking tray, and in a preheated oven I'm going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to put these tomatoes into oven, which is preheated, and going to set the temperature to 180 for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll leave them. Meanwhile the tomatoes are in the oven, I'm going to take a pan and heat it up. Now I'm going to apply butter on each side of these slices. I'm going to apply the butter thoroughly. All over. Now the other side of the plate. Flip it. Now you can see I've applied butter on all over these 4 slices of bread, and it's been 14 to 20 minutes. I'm going to check the tomatoes in the oven. Hopefully they're well baked. Yes. Now here we are with our final step. I'm going to take this slice of bread, place it on, and apply this cheddar cheese carefully. Now I'm going to take these tomatoes and place them on like this. And one more layer of cheddar cheese on top. Remember, the pan is preheated and we put the flame on low. The more layer of cheese means more cheesy. Now I'm going to place the other slice of bread on it and leave it to fry for a few minutes. Now after approximately 1.5 minutes, I'm going to turn it over carefully. I have turned it over and you can see it's fried really well, and I'll give it 1.5 minutes more till the cheese melts into it and it gives a very yummy taste. Now it's been 1.5 minutes to this side of the slices as well, and I'm going to check it and dish it out. Yeah, you can see it's very well fried as well. And I'm going to dish it out. And the smell is really good. Now I'm going to cut it into half. So this is the final look of our slow roasted cheese and tomato sandwiches. I hope you're gonna like it. It's really cheesy and mouth watering and kids really love it.